Hello students, we are going to study today Boolean laws. These Boolean laws or Boolean algebra is used to analyze and simplify digital circuit since it uses only binary numbers that 0 and 1. It is called as binary algebra, logical algebra. It was invented by George Boole. The symbols are used in Boolean algebra, usually letters, do not represent mathematical value. Arithmetic operations are not performed in a Boolean algebra, and most important point in a Boolean algebra allows only two possible values 0 and 1 for any variable. Variables used only two values, binary 1 for high and binary 0 for low. Complement of variable is represented by over bar. In bracket, that symbol is indicating as bar. So complement of variable b is represented as b bar. If b is 0, then b bar is equal to 1. ORing of variable is represented by plus sign between them, that is a plus b plus c. Logical ANDing of two or more variable is represented by writing dot operation dot between them such as a dot b dot c dot d, and these laws are used for simplifying all the digital circuit, and it was invented by George Boole, and in this there is arithmetic operation is not performed and there are the two possible values 0 and 1, and most important point that in a Boolean algebra we use the letters, not a mathematical values. Next, there are the different Boolean laws. That first law is a commutative law. This commutative law states that Boolean laws are different. That first is a commutative law, second is a associative law, third is a distributive law, fourth is AND law, fifth is OR law, and sixth is inversion law. These all laws are Boolean law we use to solve the Boolean expression. In that first law, commutative law. This commutative law states that any binary operation or changing the sequence of variable or inputs does not have any change effect on output of logic circuit. Means that if a into b is the same is represented as a term as a b into a, means changing the sequence of input does not have any effect on the output of the logic circuit. That law is known as a commutative law. And second, that a plus b is equal to b plus a, changing the sequence of the inputs, and that expression are expressed as a diagrammatically. First term a into b is represented as the same as a b into a. A into b, that a into b means which gate is used, that multiplication performs the AND gate. There is a into b, that so we use in a diagram that AND gate. That term a first input, second b input, output is equal to a into b is equal to b into a. B into a. That b into a, first b input is given, a input is second given, output is a b into a. Changing the sequence of input does not have effect on the output of the logical circuit. Second expression in a commutative law, a plus b is equal to b plus a. A plus b is represented as a ORing of that operation. So we use that OR gate. A input, second is a b input, output is a plus b, and is equal to b plus a. So that term also represented as a OR gate. So second b term, for second OR gate we connect the inputs b and a, output is a b plus a. This is represented as a commutative law by diagrammatically. Similarly, we represent that commutative law by verifying by the truth table. So truth table, that A term, B term, there are the two inputs for that gate, AND gate or OR gate. So there are the possibilities of the truth table are the four conditions, and that four conditions are represented as a 0 0, 0 1, 1 0, 0 0, 0 1, 1 0 and 1 1. So A into B is equal to represented as a B into A. So in a truth table, A into B, A into A, B, and this is a performing the ANDing operation or multiplication operation. So this A into B is represented as a 0 0 0 1. B into A means B term is multiplied by A. So this block is represented as a B into A 0 0 0 0 1. So A into B is represented as a B into A, that are the same term, that truth table, in truth table that two terms A is equal to A into B is represent A into B is equal to B into A represented as a same, means commutative law states that changing the sequence of variables or input does not have effect on the output of the logical circuit. Similarly, we prove the second that term using OR gate A plus B or B plus C, B plus A, that two blocks in a truth table are the same, that is represented as A plus B is equal to B plus A. This is the first commutative law. Second is a associative law. Associative law. This law states that in a order in which logical operations are performed is irrelevant as their effect is the same. Means A into B into C is represented as a into B into C. Similarly, A plus B bracket complete plus C is represented as a plus in bracket B plus C. Means this law states that in order in which logical operation are performed is irrelevant as their effect is the same. Irrelevant as effect is the same. Input of the sequence is changing, so output of the sequence as a same. So that A into B into C is represented as a into B into C. That expressions are expressed as a diagrammatically. That A into B in a bracket that represented as a AND law, so we use the AND gate A into B in bracket complete, then dot C, this is a multiplication of C. So A into B term we multiply the term C. This first AND gate output is A into B, so another AND gate we connected, and that another output of input given to AND gate is C. So total term output of the second AND gate A into B into C. Similarly, that A into B into C we represented. Another expression for the associative law, A plus B bracket complete plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. So this is expressed plus term, so we use in a diagram second, that is a OR gate. That OR gate perform the addition. This is the associative law. Similarly, we prove that associative law by truth table. That there are the three inputs in an expression. So there are the possibilities of truth table are 8 conditions, and that 8 conditions are represented as 0 0 0, 0 0 1, 0 1 0, 0 1 1, 1 0 0, 1 0 1, 1 1 0, 1 1 1. These are the 8 output conditions for A, B, C inputs. This is the associative law. Next is a distributive law. This distributive law states that A into B plus C, A into B plus C is represented as AB plus AC, AB plus AC. So A into B A into B plus C. So A is multiplied B plus C. So multiplication indicating as a AND gate, and B plus C is indicating B plus C. So OR gate we connect the inputs B plus C. So OR gate output B plus C, and B plus C is multiplied by A. So there is a connected as a AND gate. And second term is equal to AB plus AC. AB means that product of two gates, product of two term A and B. So there is a connected one AND gate, and another term is a AC. So AND gate input is given A and C. So these AB, AC, these two terms as addition. So we connect here the OR gate, and that term for OR gate output AB plus C. Distributive law. This is a diagrammatically we said distributive law can be verified by truth table, and that truth table there are the three inputs. So possibilities of the outputs, possibility of the truth tables are the 8 conditions. 8 condition that in a truth table A into B plus C is represented same is equal to AB plus AC. So in two column, that is A into B plus C or AB plus C, these two are the same column. So this law states that A into B plus C is equal to AB plus AC. This is the distributive law we prove by truth table. Next law, AND laws. AND laws, A into 0, that term is represented as 0. A into 1 is represented as A. A into A into A bar is equal to 0. Next, OR law. OR laws, A plus 0 is equal to A. A plus 1 is equal to 1. A plus A is equal to A. A plus A bar is represented as a 1. And next law is a inversion law. This inversion law, A double bar is represented as a original term A. This is a inversion law. And another is a important laws, that is A plus BC is equal to AB into A plus C. Next law, A bar plus AB is represented as A bar plus B. Next law, A bar plus AB bar is equal to A bar plus B bar. Next law, A plus AB is equal to A. A plus A bar B is equal to A plus B. These all laws, that is commutative law, distributive law, associative law, AND law, OR law, inversion law, and other important law we use to solve the Boolean expression. In a next lecture we use reducing the Boolean expression by using these all the laws. This is the all laws we study. Next point, duality theorem. This duality theorem states that replacing OR sign with AND sign and replacing AND sign with a OR sign and complementing zeros and ones in the expression means what? See the example. A plus 1 is equal to 1. A plus 1 is equal to 1. In that, duality theorem states that replacing OR sign with AND sign, replacing AND sign with the OR sign, and complementing zeros and ones. In that expression, A plus 1, OR sign is replaced by AND sign. So A into OR sign is replaced by AND sign, and 1 is a complementing, that 1 is represented as a 0 complement and is equal to 1's complement is a 0. That in a expression we see the duality theorem. Next expression also, A plus AB is equal to A. A plus means changing the OR sign by AND sign. So A into and another term is represented as AB. AB is the product. AB is the product. So and sign here is indicating that replacing and sign with or, so that total expression A into A plus B is equal to A. This is the duality theorem. Next, these all gates in the last lecture we study and law, not law, basic gates and or not. These all laws we use the basic operation of the digital system by using the switching circuit as well as the transistor circuit or the using as a diode. That logic we applied in a switch circuit or transistorized diagram. Then we see the logic of that NOT gate. That NOT gate, one of the most basic operation in a digital system is the inversion. The circuit which is used for inverting, and the digital level is called as a NOT gate. So for NOT gate there is a one input A and output is a inverting, that is a Y is equal to A bar. This NOT gate we see in the diagram equivalent as a switch operating. NOT gate having one input A, output Y. So switching arrangement as shown in the diagram. In the switching diagram, there is a switch is connected, and in that LED switch in the case first, switch S, when switch S is open means off, switch is off, open, this circuit is completed through LED and LED is glow. LED is glow. Means what? That switch is open. That logic for NOT gate. If A input is, for A input 0 is given, then output is 1. That is a complementing. Similarly, in a switching equivalent, that logic apply when switch is open means off, then output is on, that LED is glow. If switch close means that switch is high, output lamp off, that is a inverting. Means if input A is given 1, then output inverting as a 0. Similarly, that logic apply in a switching equivalent circuit, that switch circuit when close or that switch is high, lamp is off. That NOT gate logic is applied in a switching equivalent circuit. Next, AND gate. For AND gate, there are the two inputs A and B. Output is A into B. A into B. That AND gate is one of the logical operator and that performs the logically multiplication on its inputs, and that having two or more inputs and only one output. And that diagram shows another diagram that shows the switching arrangement. That is a switching arrangement. When both the switches, that switch S1 and S2, when the switches, both the switches are off, that is means open, that means open, then circuit will not complete and LED will not be glow. So that condition is off. Condition is off. In last lecture we studied the truth table of AND gate. That truth table of AND gate, A and B 0 0 output is 0. A and B 0 1 output is 0. A and B 0 1 output is 0. A and B 1 1 output is 1. That logic is applied in a switching circuit, and that output Y we getting at the across of the LED. When switch S1 and S2 off, S1 and S2 off, close, then circuit will not complete, so LED will not glow, so that LED glow off. Means A is equal to 0, B is equal to 0, S1 is equal to 0, S2 is equal to 0, LED off, means Y is equal to 0. This is the first condition of AND gate. When switch S1 is open, low, and S2 is a high. Means AND gate in that truth table, that condition 0 1 condition. That 0 1 condition, Y output is 0. So output is lamp is off. That lamp is off means that is a low. Next condition, S1 is a close. S1 is a close. Close means that close is high, that is a 1, and S2 is a open means 0. In the truth table of AND gate, that condition 1 0. That 1 0 condition output Y is equal to 0. So LED is a off, that is a low. Next condition, when S1 is a high, S1 is a close, S2 is a close, both conditions are high. In that truth table of AND gate, that condition lasts A is equal to 1, B is equal to 1, both inputs are 1, output is 1. That condition is applied in a switching condition. S1 is a close, S2 is a close, that both are the high, output LED is a on, that LED is a high. This is the AND gate in a switching equivalent circuit we study. Next gate, OR gate. OR gate, there are the two inputs for OR gate and two inputs OR gate. As a OR gate arrangement, switching arrangement as a we see in the diagram, and the OR also one of the logic operator, and that perform the logical operation as addition on its inputs. Therefore output will be high if any one or both inputs are high. The output will be low if and only if both inputs are low. The switching arrangement as shown in the diagram. In that switching arrangement, that there are the two switches S1 and S2. That OR gate truth table, when A is equal to 0, B is equal to 0, Y is equal to 0. When A is equal to 0, B is equal to 1, output is 1. When A is equal to 1, B is equal to 0, output is 1. A1, B1, output is 1. This logic is applied in a switching equation. In this switching equation, when S1 and S2 open means low, that A0, B0 condition. So output is Y is 0 in that condition. So lamp is off, that is a low. Next condition of OR gate, 0 1 condition. 0 1 condition means S1 is a open 0 and that is a low, and S2 is a 1, that is a high. 0 1 condition, so output lamp is a on, that is a high. Next condition of OR gate, that is a 1 0 means S1 is a close high, S2 is a 0, that is a 1 0 condition, output lamp is on, that is a high. Next, S1 is a close, that is a 1, S2 is a 1, S2 is a close, that is a 1, that is a high, lamp is a on, high. That we prove the logic operation of the OR gate in a switching equivalent circuit. These are all the basic gates are studied or in the switching equivalent circuit. Thank you watching this video. In the next lecture, we solve the different Boolean expression or reduce the Boolean expression by using these all laws. Thank you.